You will never have an intimate relationship with your wife if you spend more time on your phone than talking with your wife. Now, a lot of us, ako din, included, sometimes I spend 2-3 hours on my phone, and yet I spend 10 minutes to 30 minutes tops talking to my wife or talking to my spouse, my wife. The Lord has cautioned me, warningan na ako ng Lord, that if I'm spending more time on the phone than time with my wife, then I'm going to be disconnected with my wife for a long time. Ibig sabihin, hindi kami magkakaroon ng magandang relationship as husband and wife. Kasi I'm always connected with my phone and disconnected with my wife. Ni-reality check ako ng Lord. Kaya pinapasa ko din sa'yo, reality check. How much are you spending time with your phone? And how much are you spending time with your spouse? Pag mas marami pa ang oras mo sa phone, boom! Sapul. Nasapul na ako eh. Ikaw naman, sapul. I think the Lord is reminding you, set a limit and give more time to your better half. Huwag kang ma-offend ha. Paalaala lang. Kasi ako, na-warningan na ng Lord. And I hope you heed God's warning as well. God bless.